Region-wide floods in Southeast Asia, December's heavy rain outlook by AZLAN ADNAN. Tuesday, 2nd December 2025. Southeast Asia is reeling from a catastrophic wave of floods and landslides triggered by torrential monsoon rains and unusual tropical storms. The death toll across the region has now surpassed 1,100. Indonesia remains the hardest hit. At least 604 deaths have been confirmed, with hundreds more still missing. Sri Lanka has seen approximately 355 to 366 deaths as a result of floods and landslides brought on by a powerful cyclone. Thailand has recorded around 176 to 176 plus fatalities, especially in the southern provinces affected by flash floods. Malaysia has reported 3 confirmed deaths, with widespread flooding displacing thousands. The rainfall has been intense and sustained. In many regions, entire months' worth of rain arrived in just days. In parts of Indonesia and Thailand, locals faced rivers bursting banks, landslides wiping out villages, and repeatedly flooded communities. In Malaysia, states such as Kelantan, Terengganu, Pahang, Johor, Perlis, and areas of East Malaysia have borne the brunt. Tens of thousands have been displaced or evacuated, especially from rural and coastal zones vulnerable to flooding. December's forecast offers little relief. A developing La Niña and continuing monsoon patterns are expected to deliver above-average rainfall across much of Southeast Asia. Afternoon thunderstorms and heavy downpours are likely to recur, with elevated flood risk in coastal, riverine, and low-lying inland zones. Urban areas such as Kuala Lumpur are bracing for cloud cover and frequent intense rain, conditions that may still trigger flash floods if drainage systems are overwhelmed. Coastal communities face added danger from high tides, storm surges, and wind-driven waves. Overall, the combination of monsoon rains, tropical storms, and climate change-amplified weather patterns makes the coming weeks especially perilous. Preparedness at community, state, and national levels remains critical as the region braces for more rainfall and potential further disasters.
An invitation, International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, 1200 to 1430 hours. Venue MAB Canteen, Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB Complex. Address Jalan Tebing, off Jalan Tun Sambanthan, 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. To commemorate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities this year, I am hosting an informal roundtable luncheon to discuss universal design. Panelists will include my friends with various disabilities, including vision impairment, physical disability, and hearing impairment, as well as my architect and lawyer friends. This informal discussion on universal design will be of interest to architects, town planners, civil engineers, quantity surveyors, advocates for accessibility and inclusivity, persons with disabilities, PWD, as well as caregivers and students of architecture and design. For a totally immersive experience, all sighted persons will be blindfolded throughout the event. Lunch will consist of a whole food, plant-based WFPB menu curated by me. This event is also open to members of the public. Attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted persons. Hopefully, your contribution will cover the cost of your lunch, as well as that of a PWD. Seating is limited, and at the moment there are 15 places left. To confirm your attendance, please make your voluntary contribution by scanning the QR code. If you are unable to attend but wish to support this event, feel free to make a small donation, not more than 5% of your monthly income. Any excess funds will go towards ongoing treatments to restore my vision. We will have a fruitful and meaningful discussion that will raise awareness of the need for universal design for PWD. Universal design. For background information on universal design, I have made several videos. Links are in the video description below. AZLAN ADNAN MA, VIP founder, Green Party of Malaysia.
International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025. Every year, 3rd of December is officially recognized by the United Nations as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. It has been observed globally since its proclamation in 1992 under UN General Assembly Resolution 4730. The day promotes understanding of disability issues, supports the dignity, rights, and well-being of persons with disabilities, and raises awareness of the importance of inclusion in all spheres of life: political, social, economic, and cultural.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.